Yo, what is good, YouTube? Super excited to be back with you guys. Ryan is in the cut. Ryan's gonna be part of today's video. Today we're gonna pimp my ride.
You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
We are going to detail basically the whole inside and outside of the car. Maybe gonna take some photos of the car, and because I am selling the car, I'm in the process of selling it. Haven't really been promoting it too much because I'm waiting to continue to save money for the new car, but just trying to get the pictures and everything done now. Going to head over to Ryan's place. He's hooking it up with a few detailing products so we can get the car looking, you know, just right. And we're actually gonna go to Pep Boys as well because I have a check engine light and I want to make sure before I sell the car that the car is like in perfect mechanical working order. So we're gonna go downstairs, gonna go to Ryan's house, get the product. In the process between that or after that, gonna go to Pep Boys, get the car kind of inspected or, you know, diagnosed, I guess you could say. In focus. Okay, so this morning Ryan and I went to the gym, and actually it was funny because I was telling my dad yesterday, I was like, yo, I need to get I did like a very light wax on the outside, and I was like, and I vacuumed the inside, and I was like, you know what? I need to get mats for the inside of the car. What does Ryan show up with this morning? He's like, bro, I got a gift for you. Look at these. Oh, it's kind of hard to see. It's kind of hard to see. Watch. See that? Mats. Look at that. Boom, boom, and we got two in the back. Look, open the door. And we got two in the back. So shout out Ryan. And if that wasn't enough, he hooked it up with this little lighter like charger thing, which is super cool. The camera quality is crazy right now, but yeah, shout out Ryan. Okay, so we just made it to the Dollar Tree. We're going to attempt to find cheap rags. So this Dollar Tree doesn't necessarily have everything we need, so we're gonna go to another Dollar Tree. Got some snacks to hold us through the day. So just a quick rundown on what today's video is going to be about. It's basically like a budget, what would you say? Like a budget detail job. Yeah. So if you have a car, you want it to look pretty, and you don't want to spend a lot of money, there's the correct video for you. This is perfect.
Budget cleans.
Okay, so Ryan and I are in there. Got some supplies. We spent $4 a piece, and we're really only using like one of our bags for the most part. So, but that's not what we're talking about. So, I'm in there, and Ryan and I are, you know, talking, manifesting the new cars that are coming, right? And I'm like, oh, bro, like, you know, I need a garage, you know, like, like just like, oh, bro, like I need a garage. And this lady, like this, you know, white lady, you know, whatever, right? This white lady is you know, looking like in the aisle. We're passing her, and I'm like, oh, I just need a garage, you know, like it'd be great if I had a garage. I said it once. Out of nowhere, under her breath, she's like, go get a job first. And I stopped dead in my tracks and I stared at her, and in my head I'm just like, you have to be such a miserable person to comment like something like that to somebody who is obviously younger than you. Like that's just so low, you know what I'm saying? And I genuinely hope, like it didn't get the best of me, you know. I'm trying to control my emotions, but it just really sucks that there's people out there that like don't even know you, and you could already tell that, you know, they don't want to wish you well. They don't want you to succeed. They don't want you to you know, be in a better position. Don't allow people to get to you. Don't allow people's negativity to mess up your day, because I could easily dwell on that. But you know what? Instead, you see, Ryan's a good friend because Ryan starts the car for you. Ryan's great. But don't allow anybody to dictate your day, dictate your life. You know, you make your own decisions. You make your own reality. You know what I'm saying? So, gonna go stop at Ryan's house, and we still haven't. We just came from the Dollar Tree. Gonna stop at his house and continue working. I'll see you guys in a few. Yo, what is good? We just made it to Ryan's car, where Ryan's products are. Ryan drives a 800 horsepower Honda Civic without the 800 horsepower. I need to know if you guys are interested in a how to pass your road test video. That's originally what I had planned for today, and I was like, you know what? That doesn't seem as fun. You know what I'm saying? So, do you guys want like a actual like POV view of oh, I might be vlogging on Google Maps. Oh, they blur faces, but still, I might be on Google Maps. So I need to know if that's something you guys would be interested in the how to pass your road test video. Okay, so we're gonna munch and get back to work in a few. See you guys. What's good? Just made it to Pep Boys. All the cars and all the work is going on behind us. Gonna go inside and figure out how to do this. Never done this before. When we figure out what's going on, I'll come back to you guys. Shout out to the lady who hooked this up. We just skipped everybody in line to get the car diagnosed. So we're gonna see what we get ourselves into. Where is he? What's your name, my man? That's my man, Henry.
Bring it here, the car.
Okay. Okay, so we made it to a disclosed location. When you don't got a garage, these are the type of things you got to deal with. So, trying to make the best of the situation. Then over here, we have this is like the top of the parking garage. Then we're gonna take some pictures there, you know, to potentially sell the car. So we were putting in some elbow grease into the engine bay right now. Ryan already kind of detailed the inside. He still has to do a little more with that, but just look at the difference. That's clean. That's how it is now, and that's how it was before. It's a very, very big difference. So, you see, whoever's getting this car, the car is well taken care of. You know, the car. I'm not trying to finesse anybody. I just genuinely want something different. The only real problem with the car is maybe these few bumper scratches and stuff like that. Unfortunately, you know, that wasn't me, obviously. I bought it like that, but that's really like the only problem. We had we got the code on we got the code from Pep Boys. We did get a code from them. It's some like fuel. It's something fuel related. I don't know if it's a fuel injector or something along those lines, but I'm sure it's nothing serious. So we're gonna look deep. We're gonna do a little more research into that and get that fixed as well. Not today, obviously, but within the next week or two, the car should be running much better. And yeah, so gonna continue detailing. Shout out to Ryan for helping me. You're the man. And yeah, I'll be back with you guys when we've made some more progress. All right, a little bit of a status update. Engine bay is basically done. Maybe turn up the brightness for you guys for a second. How do I do that? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so engine bay is basically done. I should have taken before and after pictures, but you know, it's so much. If you've ever seen this car in person, or if you really paid attention, maybe if you go back in the video and you could tell like what it looked like originally, like it looks so different right now. Like that's basically like shining white, even though it's gray. That's so bright. Like that looks so clean. And then like this backboard right here, like this was so dirty. And my guy Ryan, yo, sweating bullets, man. He's the man. So right now we're moving kind of towards the interior now. The engine bay is done for the most part, and we're just trying to get all these what would you call this, like the door frame, door jams, and all this out of here, all that out of there. This is the first time. So I've given the car like a light detail, you know, myself, but this is the first time that it's actually like been like detailed, clean inside and outside. That's the first time. This is the first time this car has ever seen, you know, any type of real like wash. So what do you call it? New owner, you know, you guys just got to steal, because we spent a few dollars getting all the products together and stuff, and you know, we basically just got like a whole engine bay wash and an interior detail for free. So Ryan just got some cleaning product in his eye, which is not good. That's not why I picked up the camera though, I promise. So check it. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of like what we're doing. So one of the first products you're going to need for detailing the interior of your car is a degreaser. So
this is for the budget clean.
yeah, this is for the budget clean. I'm sure you could buy like a much better all-purpose cleaner, but this thing works like magic. Like, I mean, you guys saw the engine bay. This thing ate up grease like nothing. Like, and it's so good to just, you know, wipe down, like, you know, like the door panel. You see this door panel is soaked right now in it. You just let it sit for a little bit. I turn this up for you guys. So you let it sit for a little bit, right? Spray, let it sit, and then oh, check it, yeah. So you see how dirty all that is, right? Get a rag, a little bit of elbow grease, scrape it all in there, boom. And like, you know, of course, like it's not one wipe and it's gone. The car is super dirty. But so you guys see a little bit of elbow grease, the all-purpose cleaner, and boom. Oh, we actually picked this up at Dollar Tree for a whopping $1. So that's crazy. We spent literally together, because he bought stuff for his car and, you know, my car, and then I bought stuff for my car. So we literally spent, I think, like $8 in total, about $8. So you can literally, and then we have a wax in the back that we're gonna wax down the whole car, and, you know, some window cleaner. So I mean, that we already had, but we're talking about $10, maybe 11, 12, but for the sake of, you know, the title or whatever, $10 to detail your car, that's pretty insane. So especially if it's not a car with, you know, super special interior, or, you know, things that you don't want to damage the paint or anything like that. This is just, hey, I'm selling the car, I want to give it a really good clean, and, you know, for the sake of myself, I still have to drive this thing around, so, you know, just want to give it a really good clean, and this is absolutely perfect for that. So just got to be willing to work, just gotta put the muscle in. Okay, so we finished the entire car, wiped down the windows, waxed it. It's gonna look better in the sunlight, and we're gonna bring it into the sunlight right now. Gonna take a few photos of it, and then yeah, I'll insert the photos here, because, you know, why not? But yeah, I hope you guys like enjoy that little segment of how it was literally $10, like literally $10, like cleaned all of this, all of that. Absolutely insane. So gonna park it right up here, a little angle, and I'll give it a little car stance, and I'll be back with you guys when we finish taking pictures. What is up, guys? So since we've last talked, we ate, got a snack, and now I'm here dropping off Ryan. I'd like to thank Ryan for all of his help today. You are the man. High five. Ryan.
Can we do my car next?
Yeah, so there's gonna be we're gonna be doing some stuff on his car very soon. Air intake, you know, a few other things. So we're gonna be doing a few things on Ryan's car within the next coming days. Yeah, car looks great, and like the interior job is insane. So I appreciate all of you guys for sticking along for the entire video. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, drop me a like. Yeah, subscribe, join the family, join my my journey into becoming a much, you know, more experienced car enthusiast. And yeah, I appreciate all of you guys. I'll see you in the next one.